good everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make cinematic 3D movements inside of your After Effects animations. It's pretty simple and easy to do. So normally what you will do is simply have your project right there and your 3D camera already set up, and you would just start making keyframes in the camera and just start making it move, like slide zoom in like this. And why not add a shake to it? So you're gonna have to alt click the clock and simply add a wiggle expression to it. So as you can see, you got a little animation right there. It's not the most perfect one, but it takes a lot of time to tweak the wiggle expression and to have the perfect keyframe setup for a realistic cinematic animation. But I got this problem figured out with my plugin that I just created. You can actually get it into the description. It's pretty easy to install and to use. I'm going to show you it right now. It's called Automation 3D. So basically the UI is really self-explanatory. Right there you got multiple animation preset like zoom in, zoom out, pan left, pan right, tilt up and tilt down. And basically what you have to do is simply select your 3D camera, and you're gonna have to select a preset and simply click on apply animation. And if you play animation, it's simply gonna do the animation for you and it's gonna add the keyframes for you. And if you're thinking the animation is going a bit too fast, simply put the duration up like this and it's gonna drag the keyframe across the timeline to make it slower. So if I back, as you can see, it's way slower. And if you think the animation is not going, and if you think the animation is not going far enough, simply pull this trend up like this, and here we go. Now you can make a combination of multiple animations and keyframes. So let's say I want the camera to pan left. I'll simply click on pan left, apply the animation, and here you go. You know, now it just started messing everything up because I didn't set up the animation for it to pan left. But anyways, let's say you really want to work with your keyframes, you have a plan in mind, so you can do that. You simply have to play around with your keyframes, with your animation, like that. Okay, I'm just doing whatever, I'm just using it as an example. Okay, let's say you want that type of animation. It's not really cinematic or whatever, I'm just using that as an example again. And let's say you really like this animation and you want to use it all over again in other projects without having the headache of recreating the keyframes, etc. So what you can do is simply go ahead and click on save keyframe as presets and make sure to select all the keyframes. Click on save keyframes as presets, just name it, and if you scroll down, here it is. So you can just simply delete this and just apply it back like that because it's saved as a preset. Keyframes got saved, and you can also change the strength of each individual's keyframes and their duration. And also the cool thing about this plugin is that you can apply easy ease just by clicking on that, and the animation is way smoother. So I think using this plugin is really the best way to create really good and cinematic movements inside of your 3D animations inside of After Effects. And if you're interested in making your workflow a lot faster, the link will be in the description, and make sure to get it with the Ultimate 3D Camera Bundle because you will get it for cheaper, and it will come with the second plugin, which is 3D Pro, which will convert your simple plain 2D scene into a 3D scene with parallax effect on it to achieve this parallax effect. If you want to know more about how to use this plugin, all you have to do is simply check out this video right there, and I'll see you guys there.